Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Hold up. It's raining outside. I'm having the wet spots from water and rain. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. I think I'm going to take a vote. See my flowers a little bit. I'm going to come to the grocery store. I'm out of kimchi. Here, another kimchi, baby. Hello. I need to go grocery shop now, but it's raining. I didn't bring my wagon. This papaya, right? You put papaya with mango. I mean pineapple and papaya. Two P's. Pineapple and papaya. Tongue twister. It's so good if you blend it together and drink it. I want to do that, but I don't feel like carrying anything. It's raining. Okay, we only came in here honestly to put potatoes to make your little chickpeas curry chickpea. Some black rice. But I'm in my kimchi. Should I get some oysters? Y'all, this is why I don't come to the store. I said I'm gonna get one thing and get 50 things. You know, and I don't want to carry nothing. I'm gonna go. I'm being lazy. Even get the bananas. See? Look, I'm already adding. Here I already got limes. I don't have any lemons. I'm gonna make my olive oil drink. So we can get some limes. Hold up, y'all. Y'all watching me. I'm just seeing this stuff. I'm gonna get more because my daughter be eating my lemon. She's putting that to the picture one of y'all. Oh yeah, what's too nice? It's a lot of lemon. I'm gonna do some. Oh, you know what? I kind of want to eat a carrot. Get these on. One, two, pears. I want a banana. We're gonna make some plátanos. Ready to freeze some bananas? You aren't too good, but I'm gonna freeze them so it doesn't matter. Plátanos. Plátanos. Ooh, potatoes. I came in here. You know, I came in before. I still forgot what I came in for. I don't want this big ass bag. They don't have supper? You sell the red potatoes not in the bag? All of them come in bags? No, okay. These, you sell single? Like single? No? No. Only bag?
Only bag.
Okay.
No, see.
Okay. No, Espanol. I'm gonna get up on my Hispanic. I'm doing a little something. I just don't be practicing. Look, if we're gonna buy potatoes, it's gotta be the red ones. Cause I don't really like the plain golden, Idaho. I don't like them. I feel like the red potatoes are better. Who agrees? Oh, you are. Golden potato, Idaho potato. Or you a red potato kind of guy or girl? Guy or gal? I'm getting red potato. Let me see if I could get a coconut water. But their coconut is bad condition, y'all. Ain't nothing worth it. Not a coconut. Okay, we're gonna buy one because we're not taking that chance. Okay, I got my potatoes. I don't got no garlic. Or ginger. Let me get a garlic and ginger. And garlic. You can fake ginger, so I'm gonna get it anyway. We gotta put more. You don't know now. Done been the place I've been. We spend the bins I spend. Fuck about 5 or 6 bitches. You don't know now. I know you now. So good it's fun to me. So I can stop y'all. Sorry, let me stop y'all. That's my girl, Trina. You heard what I said? Tay got the number. Alright, these gingers, they really trying to kill us. You just can grab some and call it a day. I want a lot, but it's like, I don't want to carry anything. I'm so lazy. And then my son, I don't think I'm going to Uber my daughter home today, so it's raining outside. I don't think my man should have to go get her. She had a situation this morning, y'all. I told her she gives off intimidating. Like, you look like somebody could beat you up. People don't mess with me, you know. I don't look like I got beat up on me. We're nowhere near me, Slim. I'm really nice, but then I'm really nasty. But you don't... When the accent come out, you don't know what time it is, so they ain't gonna mess with me. See, there's a difference between me and you. And she did be trying to compare herself to me. I'm like, sorry, you're 14. I am 40 something. I be trying to tell her, like, girl, bye. Anyway, I'm about to finish grocery shopping. I can't shop with y'all in my hand. I didn't bring my little stand because I didn't plan on doing all this. So, let me finish what I'm doing. I'll hit y'all up when I get back home. Or whenever. Lose my breath, make me whole. Yo, they restocking my kimchi? What's the date on it though? Yo. Am I the only person that's obsessed with kimchi? Last time I came here, I bought like 5. I'm gonna even buy one because I don't feel like carrying them. And I always go to the back. Oh, talk is cheap. What's wrong with me? Alright, where's my mushrooms? There's mushrooms everywhere. But I do not see my oysters. Oh, there they go. I don't know which one I want, y'all. I have no idea which mushroom I want. I don't know if I have shiitake mushroom, portobello mushroom, oyster, king oyster. Let me decide, y'all. I give you my time. Then you take my soul from me. Okay, so we gonna get these. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna finish shopping. I'm gonna show when I get done food. I don't know if people shop and talk. Okay. I remember when I was like, really got bags of potato with not in the bags. So I do shit with myself. I don't ask for help. People half-ass you because they don't got nothing to do with them. I ain't got time for that. I don't know people like that. Why are people like that? Y'all gotta stop. Let's take time to listen to what people are saying. Y'all don't have patience and don't want to help. We gotta stop being like this. I could have bought a big ass bag, hurt my back, and I could have just grabbed me a couple. Because you didn't want to stop to hear what I was saying. it's a party, hey. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party, hey. It's a holiday. It's a party, hey. This is crazy, yo. Can you imagine? You about to send me home with this big ass bag? This is what I was about to go home with. All this here on some time and listen to what I was saying. And it was right here. You could have just been like, woo woo woo. People don't care. I gotta stop being like that. And I literally only need like 3. Cause it's on me eating it. But I did see my daughter. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party, hey. It's a party, hey. Time to celebrate. Listen, bag up the rest of my stuff. I'm about to make my daughter some broccoli and steak. So, I got her some stuff also. That can be out, yo. And I eat her food. I'm free though. For eating her food. That's free time. Cool. I want another potato. Maybe I'm gonna get one. Because I want to put I done dropped y'all in the potatoes. Okay, so up here, I didn't get no mango, y'all. I didn't get no lime juice. What is lime juice? Me want this little thing. What am I gonna do with this? It's still gonna be done in 2 seconds. Oh, I didn't get back for my oysters. So I start leave right. So you're supposed to write stuff down. Anyway, y'all. Let's go. Y'all want to see another one of my favorite sections in the Asian market? Seaweed madness, yo. I'm obsessed with seaweed too. I love kimchi, but I think seaweed just as much. My mom introduced me to seaweed. So you already know. I don't know if I want this is one of my favorite ones. And then this one is also one of my favorite ones. So get y'all seaweed in. I already got a whole bunch of them. But yeah, the Korean market, I shop in 4 markets. They gotta be Hispanic market, which I love the most, my Hispanic market. My Korean markets, I love too. My Asian market, not Korean, it's Asian. Because there's Japanese, there's Chinese, there's Korean, there's Beijing, there's like Asians for days. But yeah. Hispanic and Asian stores are my absolute favorite stores to shop in. I don't go in grocery stores unless I absolutely have to. Because I'm foreign. Duh. But not because I'm foreign, but I'm used to eating foreign stuff. You know I'm not supposed to be over here, right? Look at this. I'm obsessed with Asian ice cream. I don't know if I want the coconut, strawberry, banana, green, lime. They got so much stuff. They got Hispanic stuff in here too. I was gonna get one of these, but then I saw this. I don't know, you know, they be trying to get me. I want the mango, or do I want the coconut? Or do I want the sweet purple yams? Oh my God, this one has a coconut. I can't decide. So, I don't know what it is. I'm not supposed to have these things, because this is the stuff that makes me sick and keeps me up at night. Get my lungs all congested with all that mucus. But why is it everything that I like, I can't have no more? Look, y'all. Green tea. Coconut. Sweet purple yam. With the coconut. And then they got the mango. They got the mango. What about it? I'm not supposed to eat it. I'm leaving here with something. And I'm just going to detox later. I don't care. Anyway, y'all, I'm going to stop talking because it's been a long ass video about nothing. I'm going to talk to y'all later. I'm not even paying y'all no mind. I'm jamming in my ear. Y'all hear me? Playing my Offset. Fuck them niggas, them bitches, fuck everybody. Fuck them niggas and them bitches, fuck everybody. I love Offset and Cardi B. Bitches, they both scissors. Fuck them niggas and them bitches, fuck everybody. Fuck them niggas and them bitches, fuck everybody. Like, I'm going, y'all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share, comment, tell me what you want to see, and I got you. I think I'm gonna do my cousin will talk about it. I'm gonna take y'all out with me one night when I go do my soca stuff, hanging out with my kids, and we go to hang out. We have like soca like every, I think Tuesday and Thursday. I don't ever go, but I'm gonna take y'all out just to see they show y'all. I could turn up. I just don't. I'm a regular, simple girl until it's time to talk about my money and where I want to travel. I'm taking care of my kids and my family. So, love y'all. All right, y'all. I went in the store for one thing and came out with. That's what, and then it's like, I was like, oh, just bring one bag because you don't know you're going to get more than, if you get more than one bag. If you bring more than one bag. But for real, it don't matter because I've done that. Bring one bag and sit and I buy more stuff. And then I spend money and buying a bag then from the store because I was dumb. Trying to teach myself a lesson. No. So I just bring my bag. I'm just on the safe side. Anyway, it's raining outside. And I'm carrying like 50 bags. But it's good exercise. Because a car makes me so lazy and I get comfortable. These Migos is loud out here, yo. You see my Migo people out here? They be getting it in. I swear I live in a predominantly Hispanic community, okay? But I ain't mad. These niggas don't bother me. And I don't bother them. Because I understand. I would not be mad. I be trying to party with them sometimes. But I'm not ready for that yet. They party on another level. Well, they party like island people too, for real. But I don't party. So anyway, we're about to walk across the street. In the midst of traffic like I always do. I'm gonna see y'all on the next video. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment, push the notification bell if you want to be notified when the next video comes out. Other than that, today we're to the regular. I ain't doing shit, just running my mouth. Up to the street. So I don't get hit by a car. But I love y'all. Gotta focus. Bye!